All right, well, hey, thanks for being on, everybody. I'm super excited to do this training just to give everybody a brief overview of how to access your cloud and what you see and where it is. Do apologize for the my sweatiness, but we just got done with the workout, and here we are talking ketones. So I'm going to go through some different things. If you have questions, again, don't feel free to just type them in the chat, and I'll do my best to answer them. But I want to give you a very quick overview that you can reference again and again as needed for the cloud. So don't feel like you have to memorize any of this. It will be recorded and you'll be able to go back and be like, oh yeah, I remember him talking about that in there. So I'm just going to go through a few different pages. Let me share my screen real quick. Okay, so we are logged into a cloud account here. It happens to be Kelly Zapians. Thanks for letting me use your account, Kelly. I'm going to show you, if somebody ever says, how do I log in? Well, here's what's neat. If you go to any of our Pruvit pages and you scroll to the very top, you will see login. And there's a login button on challenge.com. If we go to pruvitnow.com and go to the top, guess what? There is a login right here. So both of those places, it's easy to click to log in. It will take you to the login screen where you'll type in your username and password. So when you log into an account, it looks like this. This is the home page. And if we scroll down a little bit, Ripple is just a fun way to show where you have customers and promoters and what level they are. If you enroll somebody, if they enroll somebody, if they enroll somebody, and you'll see the Ripple starts to spread, and that gets to be kind of fun. And you can click around the map. There's no true strategy to this. It's just a neat representation of what we're doing. We're creating Ripple impact throughout the world. And you can see Kelly's Ripple just reached 100 people, which is really, really exciting. The snapshot's kind of cool. It tells you if you're engaged. All this means is that you either have a customer order or you have an order in the last 30 days. And your wallet balance, you can transfer this out whenever you want. Sometimes people will save it up. Sometimes people transfer out every time there's a buck in there. I usually zero mine out every day just for fun. Pruvit Bucks tells you how many Pruvit Bucks you have, customers, promoters. This is just personal people that you've enrolled, and then the referrer. This referrer is pretty important. If you have a customer, let's say you can't find that customer in your account for some reason, you're like, what is going on? I always ask my customer to log in and look where it says referrer under snapshot. Do you see my name? If they see somebody else's name, they need the email support because somehow they ended up on somebody else's website, not yours. And usually they say, well, I typed your information in. Well, sometimes when people aren't familiar with the internet, or maybe they're just a little bit internet challenged, if they take nick.pruvitnow.com and instead of typing it in the web address, if they Google it and type it in here, oops, if they type nick.pruvitnow in Google, it's going to bring up a whole bunch of Pruvit websites that probably aren't mine. So that's the most common mistake that people make. I'll just share that briefly. But all you have to do is just double check in the here. If it shows your name, you're good to go. Smart Ship. If your box right here says set up Smart Ship, you need to set it up. Everybody needs to have a Smart Ship active. Why? If you don't have a Smart Ship active, you're not eligible to earn Pruvit Bucks. Pruvit Bucks are the highest paying commission that you can earn because basically with two promoters, you can earn over or two customers, you can earn over $100 in Pruvit Bucks. It's the fastest, the easiest way to basically create just income through Pruvit is earning free product, which is super awesome. If we scroll down even further, I had somebody just text me, Nick, how do I find my referral code? And it's a great question because it's not listed. If you're able to mute yourselves, that'd be awesome. I think a couple of you team are muted. Just click mute on your screen. Let's see if I can just do it from here. Mute all. There we go. If you log in, go to the homepage, come down here to where it says share, you're going to see your marketing links. Now, these are just your websites. Now, the part that is in front of the Pruvit part is your referral code. So Kelly's referral code is Kelly Z. Her website is kellyz.challenge.com. And the other one that I use most often is pruvitnow.com. Shop Keto is a great shopping cart for somebody that just wants to become a customer and just wants access to all of the products. So those three, Challenge, Pruvit Now, and Shop Keto are the ones I use most often. You can look at these other two. I generally don't use them myself. But that is the referral code. If it's not set up for somebody, all they have to do is go into settings. And then from settings, they go to refer code. And then from here, you can click edit and you can change the code to whatever you want it to be. You save it, and then after you refresh, it will show up now down here with the new code. So that's super, super important. Now, you don't have to, you can copy it from here and send it. You can just type it out. The website does not work very well if you put www in front of it. www is kind of a leftover thing from the early 2000s, late 90s. You don't need the www anymore. Just do the https / and then the website. If it's easier, copy that into your phone, and then you can just copy and paste. But those are your links, and that is your referral code. So that's all I'm going to kind of talk about there. I want to go into the couple things that are important for earning Pruvit bucks. So first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a smart chip active. And then second thing you need to do is have 2 active smart chip customers. So I'm going into manage and community. And in here, you're going to see all of your people, all of your customers, all of your promoters. And they're going to be coded in different colors. Now you can see we have green, we have orange, we have purple, and we have gray. I'm going to see if there's any grays under Kelly. She's pretty good at getting her grades not to be gray. So if you see somebody that is gray and you see their name, meaning this icon here is not a color, it means they created an account and then they didn't finish. They somehow got caught up. Either they had an issue with a credit card, or they got there and their kid got them busy, or whatever it is, they did not finish the order. So anytime I see a gray person in my account, it's an immediate reason for me to call and follow up. Hey, I see you were able to create an account. What happened? I noticed your order didn't go through. Sometimes they think the order went through. Sometimes they glitched out, something, they need support. So that's your responsibility to reach out to them. And if you need help kind of getting through that, work with whoever you're working with to just make sure that they get their order in. Now, if there's 3 different icons in here. Green means they've placed a one-time order and they're not on Smart Chip. Maybe they just bought a keto reboot. Maybe they just bought the Drink Ketones challenge. Maybe they just bought a box once and they don't want to be on Smart Chip. I love calling these people, messaging them and say, hey, I noticed that you're not set up to receive our best price on the product. Would you be interested in setting up your Smart Chip so that you get all of our Smart Chip benefits? They're like, well, what's that? Well, you're going to get 22% off of the product, and every 3 Smart Chips that run, you're going to get an additional kind of mystery box for free, and it sets you up so that you can refer 2 friends and get yours for free. So what Kelly wants to do is make sure that she has 2 active personal Smart Chips, and she does. She's got way more than 2, so she's good to go. So what that means is she is qualified to earn Pruvit bucks, and she's qualified to use Pruvit bucks on our Smart Chip. So orange is Smart Chip, purple is promoter. Purple is promoter, orange is Smart Chip, green is one-time customer. The more oranges you see, the better. Now, if we go in here to Insights, under Insights, you're going to see exactly what they ordered. So I've gotten the question, well, how do I know what my person ordered? Well, go to Community, go to Insights, and then you'll be able to see, okay, this person, Jennifer, she must have bought the Dollar Keto Club pack because she has these orders. If you scroll over, it's going to show you the cost, the dollar value, and it's going to show you the point value, which is the BV, bonus value. This is the commissionable portion. And sometimes, like this is a full price box of NAT. The cost is 130. The BV, or the commissionable value, the bonus value, is 80. Because this person got a 40% discount through that Dollar Keto Club pack, the cost was only 78. Obviously, they can't pay out more than they're taking in, so the BV is less. The BV has to be discounted. So that's just what that means and how that works. You don't have to memorize any of that or really fully understand it. Just know that that's where it is if you need to find it. The other thing in here is you're able to kind of pull up. This is all Kelly's direct people, so it says level 1. Now, if we go to Community, and this right here is Sponsorship Tree Personal, that means it's anything that Kelly's personally enrolled. If I go to Sponsorship Tree Community, that means it's her and anybody that is beyond that. So anybody that they've sponsored, So if I click on that, this will show anybody in Kelly's team that maybe has enrolled customers and that kind of thing. So this James DeWitt is on her second level. Leslie is on the second level. Bill and Sue are on her third. Scott's on her third. So if we scroll over here and we click on this little icon, it's going to pull me into Scott. And this is kind of neat. I can see Scott over here. It'll show me his referral code. It'll show me all of his his information, when he enrolled, and then it will show me who enrolled him. So Kelly enrolled Joanna. Joanna enrolled Taisha, however you say that, Taisha, and she enrolled Scott. Now Scott hasn't enrolled anybody. He's a customer, but if he were to enroll customers, they would show up right here. So that is how the community works. Now, the two biggest things that you want to make sure in the beginning, number one, you want to go over here to where it says Smart Chip. Make sure that your Smart Chip is active. And then notice it says qualified to use Pruvit bucks towards Smart Chip. Hers says yes. This is looking to see if you have 2 Smart Chip customers. I had a situation last month where a lady said, I didn't use my Pruvit bucks. What's going on? Well, I have 2 Smart Chip customers. Well, her Smart Chip was set to run on the 27th of April. And I went into her community, and there was 1 Smart Chip customer that she had on the 24th and 1 Smart Chip customer that she had on the 30th. So she had 2 Smart Chip customers, but the second Smart Chip customer enrolled after her Smart Chip was set to run. She had another customer, but they weren't on Smart Chip. So the system would not use her Pruvit bucks towards that account. She doesn't lose the Pruvit bucks, but they just sit in her account until she's able to use them. So the other thing that you can do is go to your wallet, and there's Cash Wallet, which is your commissions. This is real money, which you'll transfer into your iPayout wallet. And there's your Points wallet. Points are your Pruvit bucks. So if we go into our Pruvit bucks by clicking View, Kelly can create a coupon. And for example, the lady that wasn't able to use the Pruvit bucks on her Smart Chip, she can still go in if she wants and create a coupon, say for 70 bucks or 60 bucks. And then she can apply that. Let's just do this. So $60, click create. And now I can copy this. Well, let's say that you have some Pruvit bucks and you have a friend. If you click recycle, it just goes right back into your Pruvit buck balance. Let's say you have a friend that wants to buy and you're saying, hey, I've got some extra Pruvit bucks. Like, I'll give you a little coupon to get started. So I'm going to click create. I'm going to give her a $20 coupon. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to text it to her. She's just going to paste that on checkout. So that's one way that you can use your Pruvit bucks. And if you want to save some of your Pruvit bucks so they don't all get used up on your Smart Chip, you can always create these coupons and they'll just stay here until you either use them or recycle them. So those are kind of fun. Now, don't worry about that too much in the beginning because you'll probably be using most of your Pruvit bucks for your own orders. But as you go, if you have somebody that maybe they missed a sale or maybe they don't want to do the challenge where they're getting $99 instead of $130, you're always welcome to use your Pruvit bucks to create coupons and that kind of thing. So I will recycle that for you, Kelly, and we'll be good to go. All right. Any questions as we have gone through that? Let's see. If you have questions, you can come off mute and ask, or you can type them in the chat. The coupons never expire. That's correct until you expire them, Sarah. And Kelly, do you mind if I just, it's totally up to you. You can say no. Do you mind if I run through the rewards tab real quick on your account? That's okay? Okay. Everybody's got those Kelly pack of ketones because she's letting you into her account. It's all the secret stuff. All right. We're going to click on rewards, and I'm just going to walk you through what everything in here means very briefly. Again, this isn't something you have to spend a lot of time in, but it is something to kind of learn. First thing in here is just kind of your rank, and this shows you where you're at. Now, I don't know if you've heard us talk about the MVP pack. If you are in your first 30 days, you can still buy that MVP pack. One of the neat things with the MVP pack is it gives you a rank 5 pass for the first year. So Kelly started with what was the equivalent of the MVP pack back when she got started. So she got to start with this rank 5 pass for a year. So whether she hits it or not, you can see her highest achieved rank is rank 3. She gets to get paid at rank 5, which is kind of cool. So that is a benefit to that pack. So as you have new promoters starting, if they're like ready to hit the ground running and really want to do this, that MVP pack is a very good deal. And anybody that's still in their first, I guess, 30 days or still in their Go Challenge can purchase that still and get the benefits from it. Oh, share my screen, please. Thank you, Sarah. You guys should have stopped me before that. All right. Sorry about that. All right. So here's what I'm looking at. We clicked on rewards. And we're in commission rewards, and then now we're in current rank. So this is the rank tab. This shows you kind of where we're at. So rank 1 is kind of where you start. You can see what the volume amounts are. Let's just put it at rank 2, and you'll see here you need 500 in team volume. That's your first 3 levels, and 1500 in group volume, which is basically your entire organization. It's everything, first 3 levels and beyond. So don't worry about memorizing what those are. Just come over here, put your cursor over it. She's at 792 and she's at 1357. So she's almost at rank 2. If you want to see what rank 3 is, you just change it and you see rank 3. Why do you want to rank up? Because some of the commissions in the monthly bonus are increased as your rank increases. Rank is something that you run for every month. So it's cumulative for the month and then it resets. Click on this, weekly bonuses. A lot of you are in your Go Pro and Go MVP period. So what you want to do is click on Go Pro and it's going to show you where you're at as far as how many days you have left. And it's going to show you what you need. You need 800 in personal team volume. That's direct to you volume, 1,000 and 1,000 total volume. So if you enroll somebody and they do a little bit, they count towards your 800 and you need 2 customers. If you hit this, you can click on here and it's going to show you exactly what you need, and it's going to show you what you get. $250 bonus, 100 Pruvit bucks, and you get some other kind of reward enhancements. Now, if you hit Go Pro, awesome, you get the $250 bonus. If you don't hit it, no worries. It's not like the business is going to explode on you. You just keep going. It's just a nice carrot. You just don't get the $250 bonus. MVP is kind of the same thing. It's just 30 full days. Anything you did towards Go Pro counts towards this. You're going to see lines here that start to populate. And notice it's just double. So you need 800 more in personal team volume. You need 1,000 more in team volume. So here, 1,600 of that 2,000 you have to do, and then 400 can come from any of the promoters that you enroll. And again, click on more info, and you'll see you get this one-time cash bonus of 500. Any of you that are in your MVP period right now, if you hit this with the current promotion that's going on with the $1 Keto Club pack, you get an additional 500. So you get $1,000 just for hitting this, which is kind of cool. Keep that in mind. Now, if you're like Kelly and you're outside of that MVP bonus period, now you're in the next month, every month you get to run for the MVP multiplier. These are just fun bonuses. This is on top of all commissions. And what this is it looks exactly like MVP. These numbers look identical, right? So every month you get to run for MVP. She's 310 of the way there. That's awesome, Kelly, for the 7th of the month. Fantastic, good job. She needs 4 customers. So far she has 1 new customer, 2,000 in team volume. Right now she has 792. So she's well on her way. And if you hit it 3 months in a row, you get some special stuff. You click more info, see what you'll earn. Each month you hit it, you get 250. If you hit it a 3rd month in a row, that 3rd month you actually get 1,000 instead of 250, which is really awesome. So that's the MVP multiplier. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, we have our MVP mentor bonus. Is it basically if you help a new promoter hit MVP, you get 50 bucks, which is really cool. All-star bonus, help 5 people hit MVP in this time period to 4 months, you get $1,000. And then the Go Fast. I saw a question about Go Fast. Go Fast is commissions that you earn from your new promoters in their first 30 days of ordering. So if you click on this, you can see you earn 20% of whatever they purchase or whatever the BV is of they purchase right here. And that's, Kelly's got $48 coming to her this week as a result of the new promoters that she has enrolled. You get paid down through multiple levels, which is super awesome. So don't get overwhelmed by this. Honestly, you don't have to memorize it. You don't have to know it. I'm just letting you know where it is so that you can have a frame of reference. The other thing here is our monthly bonuses. You heard me talk about the Pruvit bucks. The endorsement bonus is how you're paid out in Pruvit bucks. And this is where you see you have to have an active smart chip and you have to have 2 personal customers. So she has 105 Pruvit dollars so far. This number will adjust because it's always based on your 2 largest customer purchases each month. Retailer bonus is how you get paid on your personal customers and your team customers. So as long as you're qualified to earn commissions here, you'll earn commissions on any of your personal customers. As you have more customers and your team has customers, you actually earn a percentage on your own, your promoters' customers. So you'll see you have level 1, level 2, level 3, and you earn a percentage. And this is unlocked once Kelly has 4 personal customer orders for the month. The other thing I'll mention in the monthly bonus is our residual commission. This just pays out through 8 levels. And this is what you earn on any promoters that you have, any customers that they have, any customers that they have, so on and so forth. It's all paid out through here. It's up to 5%. As you increase in rank, the percentage increases as well. So that is the residual commission. And the last one is our residual match bonus. This is a matching bonus that you receive on any promoters that you have. Your level 1, level 2, level 3, any promoters in your team, you'll receive a 10% match to start until you hit rank 5 and it goes up. So if they earn $1,000 in residual commission, you get $100. So it's basically paying you to help your team, to support your team. So I want all of you to win because I get a match on anything you make. So the more money you make, the more money I make. It's a win-win type of rewards plan. Bonus pools are really cool. When you hit our leadership rank 7, you start earning ownership pools, and you earn shares in these pools, and they pay out anywhere from, I don't know, at the low end, 1,500 extra a month, to the high end, maybe 20 or 30,000 extra a month. On top of all of their commissions. So this is really exciting. This creates true like lifestyle income as you start to progress through our ranking system. So that's primarily what you need to know. Most of it you don't actually have to know right now. It's just a reference point or a frame of reference. Any questions after going through all that information? My goal was not to overwhelm you, so hopefully I didn't do that. Just remember, this business is built on people grabbing ketones from you, experiencing it, and then becoming customers or promoters. If they become customers, let's help them get it for free. If they become promoters, let's help them get it for free and beyond. That's the process. That's the business. Diana has a question. Unmute yourself if you can.
Okay. All right. If I understand our smart ship, but if we want to order something right now because we don't, we want it now. The price seems like it's a normal price, but if we do it with our smart ship, it's lower price. I don't understand that. Like, don't we have a 22% discount all the time because we're on smart ship, or no?
No, the smart ship is the 22% discount.
Okay.
So what I always encourage people to do is make sure you have everything you need on your smart chip, so you don't get stuck in the middle of the month. So my smart chip has, I don't know, tons of boxes, and I use the product that I purchased through my smart chip to sell my samples from.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and in the meantime, if you have Pruvit bucks, you can always go in and create a coupon up to half of the cost of the box, and you can use that coupon to give yourself a discount.
Got it. Or if the company has a sale, like when we had the keto cream, there was that. That's what, okay.
Or if there's a sale that's being run. But what we're trying to create is just like, for what we want as business owners is a reoccurring, just consistent orders. The smart chip creates that. So what we're doing is giving the people that put it on smart chip value. So the value that they get is they get the discount, they get the special sales, they get special access when there's new flavors that come out. They get a free box every 1, 2, 3 smart chips that run. They earn it. It ships on the next order. So that's kind of the value add for them committing to be on that order. So I always encourage my customers and my promoters, hey, like put 2 boxes on there, or put 3 boxes on there, or whatever you think you're going to need. We never seem to have too many ketones at our house. We're always selling through them. We're like, oh, we need more. But in the meantime, you can always create a coupon code and get, like, you can just go create a $25 code and you're paying about smart ship price or $30 code.
Got it.
Yeah, great question.
Okay. Perfect.
What other questions do you guys have?
I have one.
Shoot.
So I was looking at my commission rewards for the previous week, and it says $68.80. Is that for Pruvit bucks? And once I get my next Smart Ship customer, it pays out, or how's that work?
I'd have to look in exactly where it is. If it,
Okay. It's in the commission rewards, and then I went to the previous week, and it said I had for the week.
Pending? Does it say pending?
Yeah, it does say pending.
Okay, so I'll show you real quick. You go into rewards. First off, if you click on monthly, this is going to show you what we'll pay next month. Like, this will accumulate all the month of May. PB stands for Pruvit bucks. Dollars is the cash money. So this pays out, the Pruvit bucks pay out the 1st of June so that you can use it in your June Smart Ship.
Okay.
The cash money pays out May 15th or June 15th. If we go to our weekly bonuses, the week ends on Sunday night and it pays out on Friday night, or not Friday, or Friday during the day sometimes. So if we go up here, we can go to pending in history.
Right.
Select commission period, so we can click on weekly. And this, she's got $6 that are coming. This is pending from the 4th, so it will pay out this Friday. And
Okay, so this $68.80 then should pay out on Friday.
that's correct, if it isn't in a weekly one. Now, if we go to...
It is, yeah.
All right. Yep. Monthly,
Cool.
You can see this, Kelly, on the 15th will get 294. She's already received her 101 Pruvit bucks.
Cool.
So,
Thank you.
yep, great question. Any other questions? No bad questions. They're all good. Awesome. Well, hey, I hope that was helpful. And I'm going to put this on. I'm going to go ahead and I hope this was helpful. And if you need any other resources, reach out to the person that shared Pruvit with you or who your sponsor is, and they can help you get rolling.